Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. Now, the advantage of of connecting Shopify to Google Merchant Center is to show or display your products, your Shopify products across Google for free. Okay, so that's exactly why a lot of people connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. Like if you don't want to advertise your Shopify products on Facebook or TikTok or whatever platform where you can do advertising there. Now a lot of platforms, the advertising, paying for ads will just get you data faster. If the product is working or not, you can just know that, but it's way too expensive. That's the reason a lot of people want free traffic. Okay, so what you guys need to do first is to create an account on Google Merchant Center. So you just need to go to Google and search for Google Merchant Center. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can create an account. Now after that, you want to click on Google Merchant Center here, and then you want to start here from there. Okay, you want to start from here. What you guys need to do now is to click on next. Okay, and then I'm going to enter here the code. Alright, now what you guys need to do is say here drive sales and reach more customers on Google Maps, YouTube, Google. Okay, now what you guys need to do is you want to click on start now, and here it says tell Google about your business. Do you sell products online? Yes. Here you want to go to your Shopify. After you are on your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to copy this URL link, which is your Shopify store link. Okay, this is it. Okay, just copy this, right click, copy, go back, and then you want to paste the store, your store link here. Do you have a physical store? Yes. Click on continue. Hit say show your products on Google for free. Reach hundreds of millions of people looking to buy products like yours by adding your product to Google. Just as Google doesn't charge sites to show in Google search, your products can appear in product results across Google for free. Okay, so that's exactly what I told you guys at the beginning. That's the advantage of it, where your products will show. As you can see, it will show across Google. Now after you are, as you can see, what you need your own store, products, not services. So you cannot you need to sell products. Services such as consulting, messages, repairs can't be shown in free listings. Okay, so you want to click on continue to Merchant Center, and here the business name, I'm going to name it Test Store Shopify, which is my Shopify store name. Here the registered country, which is your country. Now after you add, so if you change it, after you add your country, click on continue to Merchant Center. Okay, just give it a few seconds. Okay, it says welcome to Merchant Center. Next, a new and simplified generation of Merchant Center, making it easier for businesses to show products on Google. You want to click on get started. Alright, now it says here add Google and YouTube app in Shopify. If you can see this message here, that's good. If you cannot see here, you want to download the app it's called Google and YouTube app. Now if you can, I'm going to click, just go to Google and YouTube app in Shopify because I can see this. Okay, click on this blue box here and it will take you directly, guys, to Shopify App Store, and then you want to click on install. Alright, now you want to click again on install. Okay guys, so in the next page, what you guys need to do next is just give it a few seconds. It says here drive sales and reach more customers. Now you want to click on connect to Google account. Make sure you connect the exact same accounts you used to create Google Merchant Center. Click on continue. Scroll down a little bit, click allow. Alright, now as you can see, guys, just want to set up Google Ads conversion measurement. Now what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down a little bit, emails from Google, and you can just turn this on. Okay, here it says add a valid payment method. You want to click where it says add valid payment method. You want to add it to your Shopify. Okay, that's if you haven't done that already. And the second step is to create an online store. Make sure you remove your online store password. If you have a password on your Shopify store, you want to go to your Shopify dashboard, click on settings. You want to just go to your Shopify dashboard, click on online store in the left, click on preferences, scroll down and uncheck this box. If it's checked that says restrict access to visitors password, you want to uncheck it, remove this password, click on save in the top. Now keep in mind, if you are not paying for Shopify plan, you will not be able to uncheck this. It's going to be buried and you will not be able to remove the password from your Shopify store. Okay, so you will have to pick a plan on Shopify. Now here it says add a refund policy and terms and services. So what you guys need to do, you want to click here, the third, okay, so you want to click here, it says here, return and refund policy, not policy set. Click on it, and you want to enter here the, refund and return policy. Okay, you want to enter here, all the requirements for return and refunds. Now here, also the terms of service. If you go back to here, as you can see, you want to just add also the terms of service here. You just need to add here the terms and service. And here it says here, confirm that you have added contact information to your online store. Click on it, click on confirm. Like I said, you will have to enter terms and services. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. Automated. I'm going to enter here random things because yeah, I'm going to shipping policy, also the shipping policy, like the shipping policy 30 days, for example. This is just an example, guys. Click on publish. Okay, so after you are done, as you can see, it's already checked. All the everything has been checked right now. Now what you guys need to do is just click here, also add the valid payment method. Okay, you want to add here your payment method. You can add PayPal or whatever, Stripe or Shopify payments. Now after that, then you just need to click on connect. Okay, you just need to click on connect here. By the way, you will have also to add your phone number here, change the country to your own country here, and then you want to add the phone number. And that's it, guys. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how you can, all the products are going to be synced, by the way. Okay, the target country and language, you can also target different countries. That's it. And then after that, you want to click on I have read and agreed to terms, and then click on complete setup. That's it. Okay, so after you click complete setup, it will take a few seconds for them to verify your account. I would say 4 hours or 5 hours, sometimes 24 hours. Okay, so just click on complete setup, and that's exactly, guys, how you can connect your Google Merchant Center to Shopify. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Like I said, all your new products are going to be synced. Okay, so you don't have to add them manually. That's it. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone.